NENOMATICA, where mathematics meets YouTube excellence. In this lesson, we will factor the cubic polynomial x cubed minus 4x squared plus 5x minus 2, using decomposition of terms and grouping. We will aim to express it as a product of simpler factors, step by step with intuitive visuals. First idea, decomposition and grouping. The trick is that we are allowed to add and subtract the same quantity to rearrange terms into recognizable patterns. Think of a plus b equals a minus c plus b plus c. Step 1. Decompose the polynomial into two groups that we will recognize. We write x cubed minus 4x squared plus 5x minus 2 as parentheses x cubed minus 3x squared plus 3x minus 1 parentheses plus parentheses negative x squared plus 2x minus 1 parentheses. Step 2. Recognize perfect powers. Notice that x cubed minus 3x squared plus 3x minus 1 equals parentheses x minus 1 close parentheses cubed, and x squared minus 2x plus 1 equals parentheses x minus 1 close parentheses squared. We can now rewrite our decomposition using these identities. The first group becomes parentheses x minus 1 close parentheses cubed. The second group, negative x squared plus 2x minus 1, is negative of parentheses x squared minus 2x plus 1, so it becomes minus parentheses x minus 1 close parentheses squared. Step 3. Factor out the common power. For a to the m minus a to the n, factor a to the n, giving a to the n times parentheses a to the m minus n minus 1. Apply this to parentheses x minus 1 close parentheses cubed minus parentheses x minus 1 close parentheses squared. Factor parentheses x minus 1 close parentheses squared. We get parentheses x minus 1 close parentheses squared times brackets parentheses x minus 1 close parentheses minus 1. Inside the bracket, x minus 1 is x minus 2. Step 4. Final factored form. The polynomial factors as parentheses x minus 1 squared times parentheses x minus 2. You can also write it as parentheses x minus 1 parentheses x minus 1 parentheses x minus 2. In this lesson, we will factor two expressions by decomposition of selected terms, using the grouping idea. We'll start with a quick rule, reminder, then factor the quadratic, and then a cubic-like expression by grouping. Step 1. Factor the quadratic 2x squared plus 5x minus 3. We begin by writing the expression. Now, we cleverly split the middle term so that we can group terms to reveal common factors. We write it as open parenthesis 2x squared minus x close parenthesis plus open parenthesis 6x minus 3 close parenthesis. Next, factor each group x times open parenthesis 2x minus 1 close parenthesis plus 3 times open parenthesis 2x minus 1 close parenthesis. Notice the common binomial. Factor out that common binomial to get open parenthesis 2x minus 1 close parenthesis times open parenthesis x plus 3 close parenthesis. Step 2. Factor the expression 2x cubed minus 5x squared plus 5x minus 3. A useful identity to remember is the difference of cubes formula. A cubed minus b cubed equals open parenthesis, a minus b close parenthesis times open parenthesis, a squared plus b squared close parenthesis. While we are not directly using it here, it motivates the pattern we will see. Write the expression. Decompose by selecting terms so a common binomial appears. Open parenthesis 2x cubed minus 3x squared close parenthesis minus 2x squared plus 3x plus open parenthesis 2x minus 3 close parenthesis. Now factor each selected group x squared times open parenthesis 2x minus 3 close parenthesis minus x times open parenthesis 2x minus 3 close parenthesis plus open parenthesis 2x minus 3 close parenthesis. Again, the same binomial appears. Factor out the common binomial to get open parenthesis 2x minus 3 close parenthesis times open parenthesis x squared minus x plus 1 close parenthesis. In this video, we will solve the problem by factoring through decomposition of selected terms. We'll use grouping, the difference of squares, and smart substitution to factor expressions step by step. First, we will factor a to the 5th minus 2 a squared plus 1. Then, we will factor x cubed times x squared minus 7 squared minus 36x. We'll highlight our strategy at every step so you can predict the next move before it appears. Before we begin, let's recall a useful rule. Factoring by grouping says, AB plus AC equals A times the quantity B plus C. We look for a common factor and factor it out. Step 1. Factor A to the fifth minus 2 a squared plus 1. We first group strategically. A to the fifth minus a squared, then minus a squared plus 1. From the first group, factor a squared. From the second group, factor a squared minus 1 as a difference of squares later. Now, notice that a cubed minus 1 and a squared minus 1 both contain the common linear factor a minus 1. We factor a minus 1 out, and then simplify the remaining factor to a to the fourth plus a cubed plus a squared minus a minus 1. Another useful identity we will use is the difference of squares. A squared minus b squared equals the product of a minus b and a plus b. Step 2. Factor x cubed times the quantity x squared minus 7 squared minus 36x. First, factor out x. Now, recognize a difference of squares pattern by setting capital A equal to x times the quantity x squared minus 7. Then x squared times x squared minus 7 squared is capital A squared. So inside the bracket, we have a squared minus 6 squared. Factor using the difference of squares to get a plus 6 times a minus 6. Replace a with x times x squared minus 7 to write two cubic expressions, x cubed minus 7x plus 6, and x cubed minus 7x minus 6. Now, decompose each cubic by grouping to expose common binomials. Factor x times x minus 1 times x plus 1, then the remaining quadratics into linear factors. The fully factored form is x times x minus 1 times x plus 1 times x plus 3 times x minus 3 times x minus 2 times x plus 2. We strictly follow the exact step order shown in the image for the expression a squared plus 8a b plus 15b squared. Step 1. Rule box. Add and subtract a perfect square to complete a square inside. We will add and subtract 16b squared to reorganize the trinomial. Step 2. We recognize a plus 4b all squared for the first part. Step 3. Apply the difference of squares rule. A squared minus b squared equals a plus b times a minus b. Step 4. Combine like terms inside each factor to finish. Second example. We now factor 2x squared plus 7x plus 3, again following the exact process shown in the image. Split the middle term and factor by grouping. Step 1. Use the split the middle term method. We choose 6 and 1 since they multiply to 2 times 3, which is 6, and add to 7. Step 2. Group the first two terms, which is 6, and add to 7. Step 2. Group the first two terms and the last two terms, then factor each group. Step 3. Factor out the common binomial x plus 3 to obtain the final product. In this lesson, we will factor two expressions using two friendly strategies. First, factoring a quadratic by decomposition of selected terms. Then, factoring a quartic by grouping. Along the way, I will highlight the structure so you can predict each next step. Rule 1. Factoring a quadratic by decomposition of selected terms. We rewrite the middle term to reveal a common binomial factor. For ax squared plus bx plus c, we aim for a product like x plus n times px plus q. Step 1. Factor 6x squared plus 5x minus 6. Start with the expression. We will split the middle term 5x as negative 4x plus 9x. This is the key decomposition that preserves the sum, but reveals a common factor. Now group the terms in pairs and factor each group. From the first pair, factor 2x. From the second pair, factor 3. Notice the common binomial factor 3x minus 2 emerging. Factor out the common binomial to get the final product. This gives 3x minus 2 times 2x plus 3. Quick check, the outer and inner products combine to 5x. Decompose the polynomial into three groups that are easy to factor later. Start from the original expression. Now decompose it into parentheses so that the middle term split into 7x squared and negative 2x squared, which still sum to 5x squared. Next rule. We group terms that share convenient factors. Step 2. Factor each group separately. From x to the fourth plus 7x squared, we can factor out x squared. From 3x cubed minus 2x squared, we can also factor out x squared. From 21x minus 14, we can factor out 7. Quick challenge. Can you predict the next move before it appears? Pause the video, think it through, and then resume. Now use this helpful pattern. If two terms share the same binomial, we can factor that binomial out. Step 3. Notice that the last two terms both contain the binomial 3x minus 2. We can combine them into one product. That gives us x squared times x squared plus 7, plus the single product 3x minus 2 times x squared plus 7. Now, the binomial x squared plus 7 is common to both remaining terms. Now, apply factoring by grouping. When two terms share a common factor, we can pull it out front. Step 4. Factor out x squared plus 7. That becomes the binomial x squared plus 7 times the bracket x squared plus 3x minus 2. Step 5. Simplify the bracket. X squared plus the quantity 3x minus 2 is just x squared plus 3x minus 2. So the fully factored form is parentheses x squared plus 7 times parentheses x squared plus 3x minus 2. Answer. Our problem is a to the fourth plus b to the fourth plus c to the fourth minus 2 a squared b squared minus 2 a squared c squared minus 2 b squared c squared. Step 1. Group and prepare. We rewrite by adding and subtracting 2b squared c squared, so we do not change the value. This sets us up to recognize a perfect square later. Step 2. Regroup. Combine the first 6 terms as a perfect square candidate, and leave the negative 4 b squared c squared outside. Step 3. Recognize a perfect square. The bracket becomes the square of a squared minus b squared minus c squared. So we have a squared minus b squared minus c squared, all squared minus 4b squared c squared. Step 4. Apply difference of squares for the first time. We use x squared minus y squared equals x minus y times x plus y, with x equal to a squared minus b squared minus c squared, and y equal to 2bc. Step 5. Rewrite each factor as a square minus a square. Inside each parenthesis, recognize b squared plus c squared plus or minus 2bc as the square of b plus c or b minus c, respectively. Step 6. Apply the difference of squares twice more. A squared minus the square of b plus c factors as a minus b plus c times a plus b plus c, and a squared minus the square of b minus c factors as a minus b minus c times a plus b minus c. Step 7. Simplify parentheses. Collect the linear factors and write the final product neatly. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more math lessons. NENOMATICA, where mathematics meets YouTube excellence.